Hello traders, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel, we journal our trades on this channel. So if you love to see what we are doing and you love it, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see our progress thus far, you can simply go and start from watching from episode one. I think this is the episode 17 right now, which is we've been journaling our trades every week, starting from January 2024. So we journal our trades here on this channel, right? So guys, let's quickly delve into today's video, right? So guys, during the week, this week, today is Saturday on the 25th May 2024, right? So this week wasn't a nice week, guys. It wasn't a nice week, guys. It wasn't a nice week. Remember on the last video, I told you guys that we have been winning back to back on crypto, but then, guys, it's like the story changed and we have been losing like crazy. Well, anyways, it's actually not still back to back losses. I can see right here it's actually two losses on my main account. And however, I took some trades like that on, I think, mm, two trades, right? On my risk account, I would say, but this is my main account. The trade I took on my main account, which are the trade I recording right now. On other trade I took, I won't. I actually don't like recording them because they're actually not trades for me, because they are trade I trade outside the box, right? So these trades are the trade are my main trade, which is the one I use, the strategy I use and everything, the confidence I wait for everything. Maybe other trades I'll use my risk account. I might just I'll see something okay, I feel like it's going to do like this, and then I'll take the trade, risking a lot. So I actually don't journal all of that because sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't, right? So I actually don't like. I prefer not to journal them. I prefer to journal the trades that I took, right? Using my strategy, the strategy I'm using. Yeah, that's it, guys. So either win for me or loss for me is all part of the game, guys. So I think, yeah. So for the week, on Monday, on the 20th of this month, on the 20th, I think on 20th was on Monday, right? So on Monday, I took a trade, guys, and I won big. I won't lie to you. I was very happy when I won this trade. When this trade was a win for me, it was 4 arrow. So I was very happy, guys. I was very happy. Very soon, guys. Very soon, I will be opening my account on Bybit. This is crypto, right? This is crypto, not forex, right? So I'll be opening my account on Bybit, and I'll be showing guys the trades, right? I took my account history. Maybe when yeah, I'll open my account and show you guys the trade, so you guys will see that these trades are actually trade that I took, right? So yeah, you guys will see that they actually trades that I took. So, on Forex, I do show you guys because my MT5 is ready, but that my Bybit, I don't know, but I'm actually not ready to show my account history, my accounts on my Bybit account yet. When everything is set, guys, I'll also show you guys all of my account and all of that. And I'll also take you guys through all the history, right? All the history, right? Of my account history. My account, my trading history, my futures trading history. So you guys will see my account and everything I've done. And I think all the videos I've made, you guys will also perhaps confirm everything right there. All right, so these are the trades I took this week on my main account. 20th, I took a win and I was very happy, guys. And I think that excitement made me to take the next couple of trades I took. That, guys, that excitement made me to start losing trades, right? So it's that excitement, guys. So I've been winning, 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 winning. So guys, I was so overconfident, right? I was so overconfident that all my trades, the next trade was still going to be a win trade for me. So unfortunately, guys, I actually dropped signal on the group. No, the one that paid me the most was I dropped this signal. Like I literally dropped on many signal. Like I was so confident that the trade was going to work out. I dropped on my WhatsApp, I dropped on my Telegram, I dropped on even on my friends group as well, right? Which is this WIF and this very Shiba Inu. Same day, almost the same time that I dropped this signal. I think many people took this trade. If some missed this with, but I know many took this Shiba Inu, and like seriously, all of us we lost the trade. It was like I was pained, guys. I was pained. Like I've been dropping signals, I've been taking trades, and I've not been dropping signals consistently, right? And I've been winning, like I've been winning a lot. Now that I decided to drop signal, guys, the trade, that very signal became a loss for us, and I wasn't happy, guys. I wasn't happy. I wasn't happy. So I lost. This one was a break-even trade. I think it got close to our two arrow, one arrow. But then I told them to exit the trade. And why this one? It was just a straight loss for us. What pained me the most, even for this one, on my friends group, while I was busy shorting Shiba Inu, others were busy in buying it, and then they were not showing their profit, guys. I just saw it. I was like, it is well. It is well. I was pained, and I told myself, man, I will not drop signal again. No. I rather trade on my own, guys. I rather trade on my own rather than dropping signal. People will lose money, because if I trade on my own, I know how to go about it. I know that, okay, if I lose the trade, right, eventually I'm still going to take a trade that's going to win and cover my losses, right? But how about others? The funny thing is that now, right, I'll drop a signal. The signal, it's, let's say it goes wrong, people feel like, the people I drop signals for, they feel like, this guy's signals is bad and all of that, not knowing that, okay, if you must win, right, you must be consistently profitable with my signals. You have to take literally almost all my signals, right? Because you don't know the one that's going to win, you don't know the one that's going to be a losing signal, right? So that is just one thing you guys should know. All right, so let's just go to the chat. First is meme, right? So let's go to meme chat. Let's see, guys. I've actually been learning a whole lot these days. I'm learning a whole lot and learning and learning and learning and learning. I think meme trade. Yeah, I think this was the trade, guys. I told you. See this trade there. This trade almost stopped me out, but I was on the trade. But then, guys, look at what happened. This guy just came. Boom. I was so happy because I think I went to church. Yeah, this was on Monday. I went to church. It was when I came back, I saw that my trade had hit TP. And it was even for arrow. Guys, I was so excited with this trade. So that excitement and everything, guys, it is well. So this was the trade, guys. So let me quickly show you guys what I saw on before taking this trade. As you can see right now, this is a key level, right, on the meme trade. As you can see right here, this is a key level that at line price had retested this level a couple of times, right? So, and let's see, let's go to a daily time frame first, because I love to start from daily time frame. Okay, price had outlined this level. Okay, yeah, I even saw this. So I drew my support level here, and price had tested this level several times. And I was like, okay, since price had tested this level, and this is the what resistance level, since price just got into this level back, I was like, okay, I went to my 4 hour time frame, and when price got to this level, I saw the change of character, and I also saw that price had actually done a whole lot. Price had taken out liquidity, a lot of liquidity, guys. So I was like, okay, I think it's safe to go in right now. So price took all of this. So in some cases, some people will take their entries from here and then do this. But then this guy stopped these guys, people that took their entry here out, right? So these guys took a whole lot of liquidity. However, I won't lie to you, this doesn't mean all my confluences, right? It didn't mean all my confluences. So, but it was after all these losses that I had to like really tighten up, and I told myself that I have to wait until all my confluences, I meet all my confluences, right, before taking any trade, right? So after the losses, this didn't meet all my confluence, but then it made most of my confluences, right? So but then the trade went well. So yeah, it went well. Yeah. So the next trade was Shiba Inu, no, was WIF, guys. So this trade was a break-even trade, as you can see right here. This was the trade, guys, on the 21st. So I think we took our entry here. Okay, yes, guys. So when this guy retraced, it took us in here, and then it was this sell, right? When I saw the price sold down here, I told you guys it wasn't even up to one arrow, guys. So yeah, I told you guys because I saw the rejection. I don't know, but okay. What made me to tell everyone to break in was that I was about to drop Shiba Inu trade I was about to drop Shiba Inu signal, and I didn't want to risk like twice of what I normally raise. So I decided to break even on this trade, and then why I took Shiba Inu trade. So that's literally the reason why I told everyone to break even on this trade. Then I that was when I now dropped the Shiba Inu signal. So we lost. This trade eventually came, took us out on break even, and then for the Shiba Inu as well. Let me just quickly brief you guys. So yesterday I was waiting to take a buy from here. When price came right here, I was actually happy because it had this trade. It's actually a nice trade. From here, people will start taking people will start entering this signal, and then but I said no. I was going to wait for a pull and then a come down right here, and then a break of structure, a change of character first before I. So this trade didn't break any character. It didn't change any character. This is why I didn't take this trade. He didn't change any character here, and the guy just started buying. So I left that trade. So I told you guys that after the losses, I became serious. After the losses, guys, so losses taught me something. So let's go to the next trade. Was last the I think the other two trades, Shiba Inu trade that we lost. As you can see right here, I also tell you guys this because this I didn't state it there. I also lost this trade, but I told you guys that my risky. I just saw it and I said I took some risky trades, right? So this was one risky trade I took. One Ethereum risky trade and this for risky trade. I saw confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame before I took this trade, guys. So I'll quickly show you guys that as well. So this trade, guys, let me quickly show you guys what I saw on this trade. So these are on our 4 hour time frame. So I saw that liquidity had been taken out. All this liquidity had been swept, and I was like, okay, on the 4 hour time frame, let's just wait for a change of character right here, and we're going to jump into this trade. Right. So I saw a change of character here. I saw this guy change character here. So when this guy changed character here, I was like, okay, after all these dances, the guy who still took out liquidity from this high. So this was a high probability setup for me. I won't lie to you. It was a high probability setup. However, it still didn't meet all my confluences. It was is remaining just just one to meet all my confluences. But then I hopped into this trade, and then this trade came, stopped me out. And then this was the trade I told you guys that I dropped on my friend signal as well. I dropped on all my signal groups, and the other guys they bought while I sold, and then it gave them profit. While me I ended up losing this trade, and I think you guys lost the trade as well, guys. So as for this very one, guys, I was like, okay, this guy has pretty actually the truth is this trade was supposed not to be a loss for me, but then I think it was the calculation. My calculation wasn't right. So my liquidation price was below my stop loss level. That's the reason why I lost this trade. This trade originally is not a loss, right? Normally, look at it. The trade even hits TP, as you can see right here. But then I lost this trade, right? I lost the trade because my I didn't calculate my my calculation was wrong. That's actually what happened. My liquidation price. Well, I wanted to. I just removed my trading funds right from my account, and then I dropped. I only left the one I was going to use to. I was going to use to take this trade on that account. So what happened? I was like, okay, let me reach 100%, and then my calculation was wrong. And when price got to I think 86 here, this was where I got 86 something. This was where I got liquidated, but price did not get to my stop loss. So if I had done my calculation well, I would have only taken one loss, right, on this. But then it is what it is. I've learned from that. One thing about trading is learning lessons from learning from your losses, right? So I think that's just it. Just learn from your losses, learn from it, and then don't allow it to repeat itself again, right? So guys, this trade took me out before even hitting the stop loss. That's it. I've learned my lessons from that. So this was a pretty good signal. Look at the three arrow trade. It was if this trade had gone well for me, guys, I would have been very happy. But then it didn't. It took me out first. It didn't hit stop loss. So as you can see, this was what I saw. I saw another change of character after liquidity was swept, right? Actually, guys, let me tell you the truth. Should I tell you the truth? Right, just I don't want to reveal my strategy and love of that, and I'm not going to reveal it, but you are going to have a clue of what it is. Like you already know my strategy, just the rules, right? That is what you don't know, right? So this is where I'm supposed to enter. Remember, I told you guys that this didn't meet all my requirements, but this trade did met all my confluences. This very trade did meet all my confluences. All right. So what's the difference between this and this? I'll leave that to you. Figure it out yourself, right? That is actually very powerful. I think it's very powerful, very powerful, right? So that's actually it. So this did meet all my requirements, but this did met all my requirements, and you can, as you can see, it actually went to it, but then I got stopped at. So for this very one, guys, I went to 15 minutes time frame. I was like, okay, let me just uh I don't do only futures trading, no forex trading. So I also trade P2P as well. So P2P consumes a lot of time, right? So because of that, I said, okay, let me just give more of my time to trading like futures and P2P and futures and my forex. And so because of that, I decided to go have another account. Like I said, okay, I'll step down to 15 minutes time frame and repeat the same thing on my 15 minutes time frame. However, I'll be getting more trades, right, to trade than this 1 hour time frame that I do use. So I went to my 15 minutes time frame. Let's go there. So as you can see right here, after the loss, I went to remove 15 minutes time frame for my time frames, my favorite time frames here. So after the it was after the loss, that loss of course, that's actually what happened. I went to do it, I said no, I'm not doing 15 minutes time frame. Moreover, I don't have much time to be spending. I'm doing forex, I'm doing futures trading, and I'm also into other stuff like that. So where will I have the time to be trading all the time? So I had to go and remove it. So very funny, guys. So as you can see right here, so I decided to take a trade from here. I've seen that price had rejected from this level several times. So I even told some of my students, I told them, all right, this is it and this is that. So I saw a change of character here. Look at it, guys. First change of character, but then liquidity was swept down here. As you can see, it was swept, and then after liquidity was swept, a change of character again. So I tried to get in from here. I was supposed to enter this trade around this level, but then I got in from it because by the time I wanted to take this trade, price was already at this level, right? So immediately I got in, price did all this nonsense, jargons and all of that. All these jargons, price was just dancing. It almost stopped me out, but then it did take me out. Remember, on this trade, I did my calculation very well. So my calculation was right. Unlike the other trader, my calculation wasn't right. So it didn't take me out, guys. So actually, this trade was supposed to take me out on break even, but because of my overconfidence, I think this trade got to one arrow, if I'm not mistaken. All right, maybe it didn't get to one arrow. It didn't get, but almost, right? Almost, but it didn't get to. You know me, I love to wait until you get there. I don't like almost, right? Except there's a reason for me to exit. Actually, I saw that this very level where it was rejected from, it has a lot of rejections previously. So I even told my guys that, all right, this level has a lot of rejection. I would have exited this trade or at least break even this trade. But then I was so confident that the trade was going to work out, so I didn't want to get stopped out on break even and then the trade will eventually go out, go where. So that's the reason why I left this trade. If not, I would have broken even this trade. But then it stopped me out. So this is the trade I took on the fifth on that account. I didn't record it anyway. So on that account. So I actually told myself I'm going to stop trading that 15. That 15 minutes what I said no 15 minutes trading again for me. Let me just stick to this 1 hour time frame and be consistent with it. And also, guys, remember next week, I think we are going to enter a new month from next week. I don't know, maybe that next week should be, I don't even know yet. But 25, 25th, okay, from next week we are going to enter into a new month, right? So it therefore means that from next week, guys, I'm coming back into forex fully, right? So I've pretty done some of my stuffs right here. So we are here, we are cool. I'm actually still studying, guys. I'm studying, guys. I'm studying actually. So I'm still studying, and as you can see, studying and all of that. So just coming back, and I just want to come back stronger. That's it, guys. That's it. I just want to come back stronger, right? So to minimize my losses and all of that. So as you can see right here, guys, so let me give you guys a signal. I don't know, but let's see what BTC is going to do. I remember on our last video I told you guys that BTC was going to buy. I think it was on a daily time frame. I told you guys. Okay, BTC was here. Yeah, on the yeah, it was this level. And I told you guys that I was going to watch BTC rally into this zone, right? And as you can see right here on our last episode, yeah, I did told you guys. I told you guys that this was what I was expecting BTC to do, to rally up here. And as you can see right here, BTC has pretty done all of that. So as you can see, another one here again, it came back, retraced here into this level, it retraced into this level, as you can see right here. I was supposed to take a trade from there, but then, guys, I won't lie to you, I don't like trading BTC. So this was the trade I was supposed to take, but because this was my analysis, but I don't like trading BTC because it's too slow. That is the reason. If you want to know the reason, it's too slow. Imagine, or that, like, let's go to something like WIF. If I had taken WIF trade yesterday from this level, this trade almost got to my TP, as you can see. And let's go to Bonk as well. Bonk and all of them. So Bonk, the same thing. I would have taken it from this level. You can see almost to my TP as well. And Shiba Inu, the same thing. But this Shiba Inu trade was just messed up yesterday, right? So you can see. So what I'm trying to say is that BTC is actually too slow for me, right? So I prefer to trade all these meme coins, right? So I prefer to trade them because they are volatile, and when it comes to trading, it's better off you trade, yeah, to you trade all these meme coins, yeah, meme coins or tokens, I don't know, whatever you call it. So it's better to trade them. So that's it, guys. But I do use BTC for my analysis. As you can see, everything right, everything is pretty set. So I use BTC as my confluence, right? So as my confluence, yeah, one of my confluence actually. So guys, that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this episode. I think it's a bit long, 21 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this episode, right? So thank you very much, guys. So I told you guys I was going to show you a signal. Sorry. So this signal I'm going to show you guys, and what I'm expecting BTC to do right now. It broke structure right here, has taken out all these, and pretty, as you can see right here, it has come back. It came back to retest this particular level. So what we are expecting BTC to come back to this 71K level again. However, it might not do that in just it might not just go straight. It can dance here for a while, for even in a week, one full week. It will be dancing between this 71K and 67K. It can, yes, it can stay remain on this level for a week or even 2 weeks sef. That is just trading for you. You just have to be patient. You just have to be patient, guys. So however, it can still just move straight and take get to this level. But my expectation is that BTC is coming to 71K level again. That is my expectation, guys. So remember, trading is risky and is based on probability. So guys, don't take my word for it. You do your own research, guys. Thank you very much for watching this episode. Good luck.